Might as well just start where you're at.
Okay, so we are down. Wait, can you guys see?
Yes.
Can you guys see?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, so my daughter has one of our chicks right now. I don't know if this is a layer or if it's one of our broilers. Can you pick up a turkey and we'll show a turkey?
So these are chicken chicks?
Yeah, so we have, can you see all of them in here?
We can.
Nice. So we have layer chicks, so they're going to give us eggs. We have broilers, they're going to give us meat. And we have turkey chicks in here as well.
Does that mean not all chickens, hens lay eggs? Like the broilers, will they still lay eggs?
It depends. They're more bred for meat. We had a different kind of meat chicken last year or the year before, and we actually got eggs from them. But that's not typically what they are bred for. Because what happens is, like meat chickens, they are bred for meat, and once they reach a certain age and once they reach a certain weight, their legs can't carry that weight, and they'll die of heart attacks, or their legs will give out and they won't be able to do anything.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Wow, that's stressful.
Yeah, I know. It's pretty crazy, but that's just how it is with meat chickens.
They are cute.
I'll hold it back a little bit.
Oh, we're looking at bird homes, right? We want to see where birds live, because actually we're going to build a bird home after this.
Okay, so I was actually able to open this bird house, and that's what's inside of it. So I'm not quite sure what's going on inside there.
Can't tell what's inside of it. Just twigs?
Yeah, it looks like there's just a whole bunch of twigs in there. Like I know before, they kind of made a nest, but now I don't know if anything could live in there, or if they need to go in there and straighten it up, or what's going on.
Okay. Do you know what kind of birds were in there before?
We have a lot of swallows around here,
and we had pigeons, but they fly away.
We'll see if we can see some swallows. It's a little bit windy here today, so I haven't really seen a lot out.
But this tall one over here has.
Hang on. Here, I'll show you, because this is where the swallows, they come up here and they've been fighting over the birdhouse. Can you see that?
Just put it to the side a little bit more. There we go. Yeah, we see it.
Yeah, so the other day we had something like 20 swallows flying around here. I mean, we do have 4 birdhouses, but they were fighting over this particular one, I think, because it's nice and high. So this one seems to be pretty popular. You can see them?
Oh, yes.
And here's
okay, so yeah, we have some different variety of chickens. That black one, if you can see it right in front.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah, that's an Australorp. And this one right here, that's an Americana. And we have some Orpingtons, so these are the yellow guys right here.
And this one right here,
yeah, that's a
bird is Cookie, but
well, that's a buff Brahma.
And his name is Cookie because it's a girl.
Do you have any interesting stories about the chickens?
Things they do?
They walk around a lot.
I heard they do other things though.
And they
can run and they can lay eggs.
Are they nice to each other all the time?
No, we have one broody one in the chicken coop that is still in the nesting box.
And she can be mean sometimes, right?
Yeah.
What do they do when they're
She's
mean?
right.
Here, I'll just hang on to it. They start pecking. They'll peck and they'll squawk a little bit, and then yeah, they'll just run away.
That's
Oh,
too
that one
bad.
can stay outside.
That's too bad that they're not nice sometimes. Anyway,
Yeah,
so
sometimes it depends what's going on.
so where do your chickens live?
Okay, we will go in the chicken coop.
Okay, we want to
Let me
see
open the
where
gate
they
first.
live. Because pretty soon we're going to try to make a home for some birds.
My dad made this a while ago, 2 years ago, before we got our chicken coop and our chicks. So this one is a chicken coop, looks like.
Are there little ledges that they sit on?
Yeah, in here we have we actually have 2 roosts. The top roost is for the more like dominant or like chickens that have like a higher pecking order.
Uh-huh.
And so they get the top roost, and the lower ranking chickens get the bottom roost.
We have some eggs.
Eggs, okay.
Hang on a second. Wait,
And we have
let me show them the eggs in the nest. Hang on.
Oh, so they have,
Wait.
so there is a nest. So they just go sit down there when they want to lay an egg. They don't sleep down there though. Or sit on it.
They're not supposed to. Here, I'll show you what we have set up for them. So these are their nesting boxes that they're supposed to go in. But sometimes they don't always go in their nesting boxes. Sometimes they will just go in like the corner of the chicken coop, wherever, and lay eggs.
Do they ever lay an egg when they're just sitting on the roost? Is that what you called them? Would they lay an egg so it would fall on the ground and break?
They haven't done it just yet, like sitting on the roost, because that's where they mainly just go to like sleep. So they mainly do it in these nesting boxes that I have set up for them. Or if they're being really stubborn, they will do what this chicken is doing, if you can see, and they'll sit in the corner of the coop and lay their egg.
But thank you for letting us have a field trip. We've never had one of those on here before, so that's kind of cool. I liked it. All right.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Why did you build a bird's nest, Lindsay?
A school project when I was younger.
And was it successful?
Yeah.
Oh, well, good. You might have to help us because I have not built one before. Okay, so that might have given you some ideas of some stuff that birds use to build nests. So I brought some stuff. I have twigs, and I'm going to give you guys a couple minutes. Do you want to go find some stuff?
Yeah.